Hey guys, welcome to another video. I'm with my cousin. Say hi.
Hi.
His name is, I'll just call him Glitch because that's his YouTube. I'll put his YouTube in the description. His videos are kind of strange. I'm gonna say that. He said it was a joke. So, let's get started because why not? Today we're gonna be reacting to EAS Alarms around the world, and as you can see, it's my beautiful Linux taskbar. Well, it's not even mine, it says. Okay. Oh, yeah, Baka. Okay, warning, loud noise. This one's not scary, bro.
Yeah, I'm used to this one.
Yeah, we're all used to this one.
Yeah.
What? This one's not bad.
No, it kind of sounds like an ambulance.
No! I don't think it sounds like an ambulance.
Actually.
Okay, bro.
I'm making my way.
Yo, this one's actually kind of scary.
Oh.
Oh my god. I've listened to some of these on my own time, and some of them are a little strange, guys. That's kind of scary. That's kind of fire. That's actually fire. What?
Just wait till the two blue one shows up. Oh.
This one is kind of relaxing. I don't know what you think, Glitch, but I don't know, man. What is this, bro? I know there's another one. Oh, by the way, shout out to this guy. I kind of forgot his name, but I will put his channel in the description. Seems like a really cool guy, so. Oh! Okay, guys, if you don't know what the Iron Dome is, it's like basically like a missile launch area where they like launch a ton of missiles. So they do that when there's, I'm guessing when missiles are coming. I don't know. Bro, it's so dark outside, and listening to this is insane. Oh, guys, I literally just heard outside, yo, the guy in the yellow shirt, stop trespassing. It happened earlier too, so. Why is this so relaxing? Doesn't even seem bad. Should we do some more reactions today? Not to EAS. Not to EAS, bro. Bro's getting scared. Oh my god.
I'm not scared.
What's that? I changed my mind. Yeah. Oh, I just had a neck cramp. Ow. Guys, that's how going through puberty feels like. Yo. Hey, at least we don't get tsunamis, bro. Hey, at least we don't get tsunamis, man. Out here in the Midwest, we don't get tsunamis. Hey. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Hey. This is fire. This is fire. Hey. Hey. Yeah. Hey. Hey. Yeah. Hey. Hey. Aw. We all know this one. I have an iPhone.
I don't.
You don't hear this one? You never hear this?
I don't have an iPhone.
You seriously never hear this?
No, I don't have an iPhone.
Singapore. What is that? Yo. First of all, what the hell? Also, why is it so long? Are we seeing this? We're just gonna skip that. Thank you. Mexico. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. You know what I'm talking about? We in Mexico. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. In Mexico. Yeah. Hey. Hey. Yeah. Hey. Hey. Yeah. What am I even doing anymore? I'm gonna stop.
Sounds like someone just flatlined.
It sounds like someone just flashbanged me. No, that sounds like when my TV goes out.
That just sounds like a truck horn.
Yeah, exactly. I've been hearing that every day. What you talking about, bro? I just think it's a truck passing by, bro. But if I saw a bomb landing right next to my house, I'm booking it. Yeah. Again, what is with you Scandinavian? What is with you Scandinavians? I cannot be talking. I am from Germany. Morse code.
I wish I knew Morse code so I know what they're saying.
What is with you Scandinavians, man? What are all these alarms? Why are all the Scandinavian alarms so chill? Yo. Hey. Yeah. Why's that kind of fire?
I don't know. If I knew what they were saying, I might be saying. Oh.
Hey.
Oh, wow. Why did it change on that?
Ow. My ears. I never experienced this because I'm not physically from Germany, but my family is German. So I've never heard this in my life. You know a lot about South Korea, don't you?
Huh?
You know a lot about South Korea, don't you, Glitch?
No, not really.
You always, you had those little rocks where you painted your little flags and stuff.
Yeah.
I thought you know more about South Korea, man. Oh, I feel like North Korea's coming up, bro.
I can only imagine what that sounds like.
Brazil. That's kind of scary, man.
Yeah, it also kind of sounds like...
Guys, by the way, I don't scream like Wubsy, so... Bro, Wubsy overreacted to this, bro. Bro, this is light work. That sounds like a person, bro. What was that? What was that, bro? That's it, low-key kind of scary, though. This next one's a long one.